question is, how do you actually keep things human in a world that's completely connected, where everything is monitored and tracked and interconnected and growing exponentially? So digital ethics is really about this issue of keeping humanity alive and not putting the machines inside of absolutely everything. And that is a great opportunity for companies to say that they care, and that they have a higher purpose, a bigger story, not just making things, hyper efficient. What is your ethics as far as technology is concerned? And how do you value humans in the sense of technology, and how do you keep things human? This is becoming a key question, because keeping things human has to do with trust. Humans are based on engagement, on relationships. Humans are not living off the data pipeline. It's much more about relationships. So this is a key opportunity for companies using great technology but putting humanity on top and letting human things flourish rather than squash them with automation. It's quite clear that if we don't have a moral compass and a value system, then eventually we disconnect and then everything falls apart because we've lost our purpose, right? The bottom line is, technology has no ethics, but society and humans depend on it. Well, what we see today in technology is the primary conversation is about how much does it cost, can we do this, and does it actually work, and it's engineering kind of thinking, right? But in the very near future, we're clearly going to solve those issues like connectivity, broadband, quantum computing, intelligent machines. And so we're only really a few years away for that question to shift from if and how to why and who. And that shifts the whole discussion over to from feasibility to purpose. And I think that is a major shift for companies in terms of the valuation. In the future, it's going to be much more about the brand, the overall approach, the philosophy behind the ethics of the brand. So then you have to move on to creating a purpose, a brand, meaning, because trust is the ultimate place where everybody meets. In the next decade, really, it'll be just realizing that technology is not what we seek, but how we seek.